Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Have you ever wondered how those light, flaky bakery-style khari snacks are made? Today I'm sharing a simple homemade version that turns basic ingredients into crispy layered delights. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well. Khari is one of the most popular bakery snacks enjoyed with tea. Ajwain adds a mild aroma and unique flavor. Now pour in 1/3 cup water. Bring everything together and make a firm dough. Cover and let it rest while we prepare the layering mixture. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoon ghee, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 tablespoon cornflour. Mix until you get a smooth slurry. Now divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Roll out the first portion into a thin sheet. Spread a layer of the slurry. Spread the slurry evenly between each layer. Place another rolled dough sheet on top and spread more slurry. Repeat the process with all the dough portion. Fold as shown and roll gently. Homemade khari can be customized with different seasoning and spices. Roll gently so the layers stay intact. The flaky texture comes from creating multiple layers in the dough. Cut into small pieces. Keep the dough firm for better layers. You can already see the beautiful layers forming. Heat oil on medium flame. Carefully add the prepared khari pieces. Fry on medium heat to ensure even cooking and crispiness. Ajwain is traditionally used for its digestive benefits. Fry slowly until they puff up and turn golden brown. Freshly prepared snacks often taste better than packaged version. Your homemade khari is ready, light, flaky and perfectly crispy. Would you enjoy this with tea, coffee or as a snack on their own? Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more bakery-style recipes, tea time snacks, and easy homemade treats.